and welcome back. It's been a little while, I think, since I've done one of these, an unboxing that is, and well, there was something on the market that I was quite interested in, and when I saw it on YouTube all over the place, I was like, oh sweet, it looks decent, let me go ahead and pick one up. And so I went ahead and pre-ordered the Rode microphone. So this is the portable microphone that is, and that is the one that everybody's been talking about because it's tiny, portable, and easy to use. So I went ahead and picked one up, and yeah, well, actually, you know what? I just realized it's gonna look like I bought a lot of stuff because I think the next couple of videos after this are going to be unboxings as well. So just be known that it's been a little while since I started buying some of the stuff, and it's been over a half a year. So I just been hanging on the video for some reason. And yeah, let's get into a better camera angle to check out the unboxing. Cool. Alright, and here we are back. I have the package from B&H, as you can see right there. Let's go ahead and get this open. I'll go ahead and just cut it right here. A lot harder than I think it should be. Alright, maybe no knife. Yep, that's so much easier. And right out of the box, or bag, there's nothing else in there. You can see, throw that right over there. And here we go. The Rode Wireless Go that everybody's been talking about. I was super impressed when I saw this on almost every YouTube channel, and I've been just watching everything since it came out. And I wanted to give it a test, so I went ahead and got one. Mine finally came in. Well, it actually came in a couple days ago, but here it is. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So, there we go. Put that down. And is this a slide through? I can't remember all the other unboxings that I've watched now. I think this is just a slide through. Yep. So here we go. Interesting. Put that aside. And then, alright, so it's a one-time deal. And interesting how they have you read it this way, and then when you open it, you have to flip it to get it. Sweet, and there it is. Just simple. I wonder if this comes out. Or wait, do I pull this to pull it out? And apparently that's what I'm supposed to do. Yep. There we go, and wow. Okay, yeah. Comes with a ton of stuff. So here is the receiver, I believe, and the mic, or is it vice versa? Yep, vice versa. That's the mic, this is the receiver, and then we have wires in here. USB-C wire. Another USB-C wire, probably to charge each one of these units. They're just clipped in, so to take them out, all you have to do is just clip like that. Super simple. Alright, let's just go ahead and put that aside and see what else we have. So we have these little wind deals that people have been complaining about. I can totally see why they've been complaining about them, particularly if they fall off and you have to buy new ones, but it's kind of cool that they come with it anyway, so just put those aside. We have the transceiver to the, or not computer, but camera mount that you could do, or that you need to do, right there. Silicon. We have our instructions. Nope. Regulatory and safety for the Rode. And then neoprene case. Cool. Nondescript, just this one little flag right there. Alright, and then let's go ahead and pull these aside. And there's your mic right there. Charging for the USB. Charging for USB. Huh, you have to look and see what that is. I mean, I would be surprised if that wasn't to pair these two items right there. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty basic, nice looking. I believe that's all in the box. And then I'll just need to test these bad boys out, which I think I could do just at the beginning of this. Since I can open this now, I will then go back and test out these wireless mics and see how they work. Alright, cool. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll check you in the next one. Alright, and as I said just now in the unboxing, although I might have actually said goodbye, I am testing out the Rode Wireless Go, and there it is. You could hear it. I don't know how well it sounds. This is really a test, and I hope that it's coming in nice, loud, and clear. Yeah, this is a Rode mic test. Alright, well, until the next unboxing or trip or whatever, peace.